Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. From me turn your head outside.
Good morning, guys. So this is day 2. I'm editing day 1 right now, so hopefully I can get that up sometime today. Yeah. Want to see my view? This is when I wake up in the morning. Hold up. You can't really see much. Oh, paint. There's paint splatter all over the window. So let me try to get you guys a better view of what I see when I wake up. That's it. I would go outside, but the door's locked and like where I was yesterday. This is where I was yesterday. And I'm really lazy. But anyways. Yep, so I ate something already. I ate breakfast already. I'm trying to not look at my phone. Okay, I ate breakfast already. And what else? Like I said, I already started editing right now. I just need to get my cousin to wake up so we can go and get some stuff done today. And I'll bring you guys along with me. So I'll see you guys. Oh, light. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye. Guys, look, this is my cousin, but since she's much older than me, well, not much, but she's older than me, I call her Auntie Carlene. So this is Carlene. Let me show you guys some of my other family members. This is my cousin Deandra. This is at their wedding. This is Delmarie, Nitra, Deandra, Nick, her husband, and Eric, her brother. But yeah. Over there. This is Nitra, Deandra, Delmarie. And this baby, I can't remember which baby this is. I think this is Deandra's son. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. So we have to get ready. Malik just woke up. Malik! She went to the bathroom. So I'm gonna try my best to get better lighting as well. Speak it into a distance. Wow, speak it into existence. I have a lisp. Speak it into existence. We're gonna get better lighting in our footage. Yeah. Malik is coming now. My head is itching. Maybe it's because I'm so hot. And in the house, it does not have that good air circulation, so it's like really hot in here. But I edited the vlog. This is it. Let me make sure you guys can see my face. Looking questionable. But I have so much like stuff. It's not long, and you guys will probably have seen that by now. So yeah, anyways, I'm rambling and I keep talking and I need to do more action. So bye again for like the 3rd time. Alright, hi guys, it's me again, and we're going to go. This is my outfit. Malik, show them your outfit. That's Malik's outfit. Come on. Let's show them yours. Alright. So we're about to go down to the town. Like I was saying, this is my outfit. No ass. See, no butt. See, no butt. Okay, let's go. I'm coming. Where are you?
I'm going down the stairs. Mommy, soon come back here. Yeah.
She's so wicked to me. Yeah. That orange look good on you, babes. Huh? That orange look good on you.
Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. From me turn your head outside, gal. Be a problem in my life, gal. From me turn your head outside, gal. I just be a question from my wife, gal.
Them want we fall, them want we dead. Blessings are fall like raining stars. Whole heap a fight, hey Triton. Whole heap a days, whole heap a night, till the fight long. I me bad mind of them iPad, my iPad the price and next icon. Who see them? Friendship them a sell and me no buy none. So them run go tell the fakes them say me buy gun. Me hold it out and hold it faith until me time come. Living the life I'm a dream, living it up with me team. Trusting I'm
Alright, so me and Malik are now in the bank. Yeah. Talk to them. Talk to them. I don't know. How small? It's only taking a picture. I'm following you. Which one of us? Oh shit. Maybe. You're a giraffe. Are you even wearing the giraffe colors? Hold on. How are you looking? This a birthday? Alright. It's about to rain. I can feel it in my bones. And I feel a drop on my skin. Maliki. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Is that one way?
Yeah, one way. Every time we're
Yes, and you told her to go down the one way.
just go. What's the directions? Just go on, just go. You can record me, please.
It's already recording. So lift up like that. And just... Alright, this is fried chicken. What do you want? Chicken and fries. I think that's what I want to get. Alright. Hi guys. So my god knows someone let's watch this now. Yeah, but okay. Hey guys, so I'm trying to upload my day one. I'll look on my forehead. Oh my god. Let me fix this. Better. Hi guys, so I'm trying to fix, what am I trying to fix? I'm trying to upload my day one video onto YouTube and it won't upload. And I have to edit my day two footage so I can upload that tomorrow, but I don't want to start editing my day one without, my day two without uploading this one. I'm just having this hard issue and I think it's the Wi-Fi. Because the Wi-Fi is not working on my phone. So now I'm just eating because I'm sad. I'm just really sad. That's all I want to do now. Just eat and go to sleep. Actually like really mad, and that was my last piece. I always drink water, love. Stay hydrated, man. I hate when cups smell. Like, I don't know, I'm so paranoid. Like, I have literally so much paranoia. Anyways. Whew. I'm gonna try and work this out. If anything, I can upload it today. I can upload it tomorrow. I'll try my hardest. I'll try. Peace out. The shirts always make my butt look nice. How do you feel? Yeah. I'm just trying to get more footage for this vlog, but I'm looking mad right now. See? I'm looking mad.
Living the life from a dream, living it up with me team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't touch.